let's talk about 3 things that your injury attorney must know to help you win a recovery in your BelAir, Maryland accident case. Our legislature and Court of Appeals have made it significantly harder than almost every other state in the country, with the exception of just a couple, to get a recovery in an accident case. And the reason for that is our state recognizes the doctrine of contributory negligence. Unfortunately, we know that many of our competitors and many other personal injury attorneys around the state of Maryland, not just prospective clients, have no clue as to what that means when they're pursuing a personal injury case. Therefore, I set out this video just to give you 3 important facts for people who are watching this, who might become our clients, and for other injury attorneys in the state of Maryland. First, you must understand what the doctrine of contributory negligence means. And basically it means this: even if you're just 1% at fault, you're barred from recovery. 99%, everything okay? 1% at fault, you're done. There's nothing. Therefore, if there's the smallest dispute in a case that involves a light, turning, stopping distance, all those disputes come out even a little bit against you, you lose. Therefore, under no circumstances can you ever give a recorded statement to a liability carrier after an accident. Number 2, to recover, you also need to be able to sway the burden of proof. In other words, the facts have to be in your favor more likely than not. That means, again, on the scales, 51% you have to show to 49%. Therefore, if you're at the scene and it's your word against another person's word, assume if you leave the scene just like that, you lose. If you're at the scene and you secure a witness who helps get the scales of justice a little bit in your favor, you'll win. Last point. The timing and the length of your treatment does matter. Insurance companies are just like normal people. When they're evaluating these claims, they look at it and they say, how soon after the accident did you see the doctor? Because people are hurt, they go to the doctor. And how long did you see the doctor? If you only treat for about a week or 2 weeks and say you're still hurt, doesn't matter, because people who are hurt see the doctor immediately after the accident and they continue to treat until they're better.